Delhi Koi Beach is known for the white rock cliffs and the beautiful sunsets. We found a parking spot near that was a bit slopey, so we had to level YOLO up to make our sleeping spot flat. Max and I played in the beach and climbed the white rock. If you're wondering who Bohemian Van are, they are a Canadian couple who we are traveling with. We woke up early in the morning to take photos with YOLO with the sunrise. Here we are driving to...
Hello everybody, and right now we just walked through those gates over there, and right now we are inside Ephesus.
Ephesus is a very ancient city that once was home to the Apostle John and Mary. John used to preach and wrote the Gospel of John in this city. Is considered the small theater because there is a much big theater here called the Great Theater that is in the city of Ephesus. In Turkish, Ephesus is called Ephes. Did you know that only 10% of all Ephesus has been excavated?
This is the Hercules Gate, and it separates the Sacred Way from the Corinthian Street.
This is one of the main streets in Ephesus. Many shops, fountains, and homes used to line this street. Ephesus was one of the worship centers of Artemis, the goddess of hunting, who is named Diana for the Romans.
Where are the toilets?
These are called the Ephesus latrines. It is the bathroom for the Ephesians. It is open to the air for ventilation, and there are 48 seats. Apparently this area was used like a meeting place. Imagine if someone were to say, "I will meet you in the bathroom," and there you would hang out and eat chips. This is one of the main structures in Ephesus. It is an ancient Roman building located in the center of Ephesus. This place is filled with yellow and some red flowers. Max and I picked a few and wandered around the area. This is the biggest theater here in Ephesus. It is located about 100 meters away from the library. It is very well preserved and is one of the most important buildings. It is made from marble and stretches to about 145 meters. This port is one of the greatest in the ancient world. They traded foods, animals, stones, and even slaves here in the port. After a hot day wandering the streets of Ephesus, we decided to exit the city and head to Mother Mary's house nearby. This is supposed to be the place Mary spent her last years. We lit a few candles and explored the beautiful location of Mary's home.